It's Sunday morning, and what do we have here? Landlord has decided to move my things without my permission. Yes, I'm not so surprised about this. He likes to do this. So let's see what happens. Oh, let's look at the laundry. Yes, this is the landlord's trash, and you see it's always just keeps on overflowing. And landlord laundry is still here. And he hasn't moved it over at all. It's Sunday morning. Let me think. The cushions are still here. Amazingly, the cushions are still here. And of course, his can is out here. This is very normal. Okay? Hey, Duppy.